And the weather looks like it's going to be cooperating with us. So, today it was really nice. We had a better day than yesterday. Today we did make it to 54 degrees. Yesterday highs didn't make it out of the 40s. Today 54, the normal 56. So these are pretty seasonal numbers. Nowhere near that record though of 90 degrees, and we were once again rain free. Speaking of rain, for this month we've only had 8/100ths of an inch of rain, and that's not a lot. Obviously, that's going to put us at 2.67 below normal, and I don't have any more rain in the forecast for the rest of the year. This year, though, we've ended up at 38.31, and believe it or not, we're going to end up above normal at 1.39. So this is the 6th driest December on record for DFW. No rain tonight. It is mostly clear. It's a little chilly, 41 degrees, and we've got a light wind coming in out of the south. We've already dropped down to 39 in Denton. We're at 37 in McKinney, 34 in Greenville, 33 degrees right now in Terrell, but it could always be worse. You can see the snow showers over the Great Lakes, the upper Midwest, the New England states, and then out west, there's a little bit of rain over California, exactly what they don't need. But you can see this little circulation there. That's that next storm system we're going to be watching, because that's eventually going to make landfall and make its way across North Texas. But I think by the time it gets here, all the rain's going to be gone. So satellite and radar showing a very rain-free radar tonight. We do have a few high clouds moving in from the west, but that's it. We're dropping to about 35 tonight in Dallas, 35 McKinney, 36 in Denton, 40 in Waxahachie, but about maybe 32 degrees in Greenville and just under the freezing mark in Terrell. So most of us staying above freezing by tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, we make it back into the 60s, a solid 10 degrees above what we typically would be seeing for most of us. 66 in McKinney, 64 in Dallas, 66 in Waxahachie, and 64 tomorrow in Denton. But if you have any plans for tomorrow evening, well, it's going to be a little bit cooler by then. By 10 o'clock, under mostly clear skies, we're dropping down into the low 50s, looking at about 50 degrees at 11. And by midnight, temperatures will be in the upper 40s, but it's going to be dry, and we're going to have light wind. In fact, on New Year's Day, we're going to be in the upper 60s. That's going to be 12 degrees above normal, staying in the upper 60s on Friday. A weak cool front comes in on Friday, and we drop down into the low 60s for your Saturday. But even then, we're still 6 degrees above normal. So for tonight, mostly clear and very seasonal temperatures. We're dropping down into the mid 30s. Tomorrow afternoon, mostly sunny and warm, warmer at least, 64. 60s though. Stick around for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all the way through early next week. And then looking at the second half of that 14-day, we have some 60s, but towards the end of the 14-day, we also have 50s. And there's a day in there, the very last day, where temperatures are in the upper 30s. There's also a couple days in there now that we have a chance of rain, but right now it's a pretty low chance.